Good morning everybody. I apologise if the light isn't particularly great. Let me just see if I can make it a little bit better. But it's a little bit of a miserable morning here. Anyway, day 22. So I'm going to class this as an anniversary present because it's actually my husband and my wedding anniversary today. So we must have been mad getting married this close to Christmas. All of our guests must have been absolutely cursing us. Anyway, it's our 11th wedding anniversary today, which is quite nice. Wow, here we go, day 22. This reminds me of something already and I really can't think what it is. It's going to drive me crackers. Anyway, so mermaid, I'm thinking again. So look at that section there of really deep blue. That's absolutely gorgeous, love that. So we've got a real mixture here with the beautiful blues and then these stunning orange. I love this section here. The colours here are so vibrant, absolutely love it. I suppose it's almost like a little Caribbean-y type thing with the beautiful sea and then the gorgeous colours of the cocktails. That's what I'm thinking. It's either that or I'm ready for a little glass of wine or something. So there we go, day 22. And that I think is an absolutely beautiful yarn for our wedding anniversary. And I think it is great. I love the purple speckles in that. I think that's a really nice touch. Very unusual, but I love it. Oh, look at that bright section there as well with the golden orangey yellow. Love it. There we go, 22. We have only got 2 left now.